Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply for a position on the Naukri Job Search application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the jobs button down below and then to the search bar at the top, type in your key skills, location, then tap on the search jobs button and you will be able to find the available positions. Tap on it and down below you can find the apply button. Tap on it and then you should complete your profile. As you can see, you should select whether you are a fresher or an experienced job seeker. So just basically answer the questions. How many years of work experience do you have? Just tap on the relevant answers and after that your profile will be completed. As you can see at the top of the screen, it is almost done. If you start typing in, you have a bunch of options that pop up, so you can choose from that. And as you can see, you just need to answer this question and you're almost done. If you would like to edit your answer, just tap on this button that you will be able to see next to it. So here you can see this pencil button. I made a mistake, so you can correct it. And basically that's how you can proceed with this process. So just tap on the relevant ones and then you will be done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.